Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by getting essentials ready. Confirm your router supports 4 GHz or dual band and have the SSID and password handy. Plug the Nest Cam into power and wait for the LED to pulse. This indicates the device is in setup mode. While it boots, install and open the Google Home app on your phone and enable Bluetooth and location so the app can find the camera quickly. Once done, keep your phone near the camera for the next step. You now add the camera in Google Home. Tap the plus icon, choose Setup Device, and select New Device in your home. The app will prompt you to scan the QR on the camera or enter the setup code manually. This links the hardware to your account. Next, pick your Wi-Fi network and type the password exactly, case matters. Then allow the camera to download any firmware updates. Make sure your phone stays on the same Wi-Fi and close to the camera during this process to avoid dropouts. Finish setup by naming the camera and assigning it to a room so routines and permissions work correctly. Configure activity zones and motion sensitivity to reduce false alerts, and verify live view and notification settings in the app. If the camera fails to finalize, restart the camera and router, ensure your phone is on the same network, and try connecting explicitly to the 4 GHz band. Many cams prefer it. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.